Hello and welcome to Bidpulse. Today we're going to learn how to cancel an auction in Bidpulse. So I am already logged in and I go to my dashboard, currently empty. So I'm going to add an auction over here that I grabbed from ShopGoodwill. Let's just pick the first thing we see, these Nike Air Jordan sneakers. I'll go ahead and capture the URL, click Add Auction, and the auction gets added to my dashboard. So here is what you need to know. If I want to set a maximum bid, let's say $15.99, I enter that here. And now I schedule the snipe. The snipe is now ready. But as this auction progresses, because we've got 5 days, I may change my mind, right? I may want to change my snipe. So if I go here and I say $20, and I updated my bid. So now that gives me more breathing room from the current $15.99. And again, we will alert you when bids change. So if your projected snipe is underwater, we'll let you know. If I wanted to cancel this snipe, let's say, you know what, I found these sneakers elsewhere for a better price. All I have to do is click here to say cancel snipe, and it is gone. That is as difficult as it is. So that is how you add and cancel a snipe on Bidpulse. Thanks.